Hello everyone. Welcome to Cavison demonstration. In this session we will be covering the alert maintenance and its sub-modules. So let's get started. Alerts maintenance. Alert maintenance window configuration is required to disable alert generation at the time of maintenance period or a scheduled downtime. To view the alert maintenance window, go to the Alert Maintenance option via Settings button on the Alerts window. Here, you can add a maintenance schedule and can view the applied maintenance schedules. In addition, you can search, edit, import, export, or delete a maintenance schedule based on the requirements. The details in this window include schedule name, schedule type, schedule, subject, description, upcoming maintenance window, action, configure alert maintenance. You can configure the alert maintenance on the Alert Maintenance window. Click the Configure Maintenance window. This displays the Configure Maintenance Schedule window. Provide the following details: schedule name, name of the alert maintenance schedule. Subject level. The first index level is tier. On selecting all, maintenance schedule is applicable for all tiers. On selecting a pattern, specify a pattern for the tiers to which the maintenance schedule is to be applied. The second index level is tier. Rest options are the same as tier level subjects. The third index level is tier. Rest options are the same as tier level subjects. You can view the further elements of each level of the subject by clicking the Test button. For example, if the user selects pattern as *cab at first subject, and on clicking the Test button, the details are displayed based on the selected pattern. Preset. Every day, the alert maintenance is triggered on the specified time each day. Every week, the alert maintenance is triggered on the specified time of the selected day. Every month, the alert maintenance is triggered on the specified time of either every selected day of the selected week or every selected day of the month. Every year, the alert maintenance is triggered on the specified time of either every selected day of the selected week of the selected month or every selected day of the selected month. Custom, the alert maintenance is triggered on the specified date and time. Description, the description about the maintenance schedule for more insights. View active alerts. You can view active alerts, the alerts which are currently in active state, via the Settings button and selecting the Active Alert option. All the active alerts are displayed in the Alerts window. View alert history. You can view alert history, the alerts which are currently not in active state, via the Settings button and selecting the Alert History option. This displays the alert history. This is all about Alert Maintenance window. Thank you for listening.